Alright, I'm going to try and do a quick tutorial here on the printouts. This would be the printout number 1 we're working on. You want to make sure all your dimensions are in here as specified in the example printout. Looks like I might need to add a few more. Let's just roll forward. Then you want to get your view set right. You can use the H for hand. Then you want you to use the camera, standard views, ISO. Now we have an isometric view, and just work to get that thing as big as possible in your view here. Alright, once you have that set, it's time to set up for the print, File, Print Setup, and we want to choose the correct printer. In our class it should be the Brother printer. And this is the important thing, landscape. Make sure you're choosing landscape. That was Print Setup. Now we want to do File, Print Preview, and if I haven't already approved your printing, I want to check this. Sometimes Sketchup can be a little bit finicky with the print preview. Yeah, that looks actually pretty good. But you notice there's some information missing. We need to get your name on there so that when you turn it in, I know who it belongs to. So let's talk about how to do that. If you use over here, the text tool is designed to attach to points and make notes. Make notes at points. But there's also another way to use it. We can just float it out here, and we can just write things. So this would be your name, and any other notes you might want to add. Footprint, print 1. There we go. And now when we go to File, Print Preview, and click OK. There we go. Now it's refreshed the print, and there we have it. That should be your first print off right there. If you wanted to get rid of that building back there, you can move it out of the way. Be careful though, because if you save it with this altered view, then you've kind of made a mess of it. Alright, let's try and get back to that ISO view again. Camera, standard views, ISO. And we're going to try and fill up the screen as much as possible with it. File, Print Preview, Fit to Page is checked, Model Extents is unchecked. Fit to Page, Model Extents unchecked. And in our classroom we want the Brother printer up here. There we go. Nice clean prints, got your name on it, the name of the printing, all the dimensions are visible, beautiful. You would just hit print at this point, collect it off the printer. Alright, let's talk about printing the roof. This one you may have to take the sky out of it. Sometimes when you go to print, the sky is visible. That does not work good on the printing. It kind of looks crazy. There's no color for the ground because the green, is not actually considered a color in our SketchUp, whereas the sky is. We've got to get rid of that sky for most of our printing. Here's how you can do that. Under Window, Styles, you want to go to the Edit tab, and in most cases you got to make sure you choose this box here, this one, and there is the sky. If I uncheck that, the sky goes away. I can also put in ground, see? There we go. So uncheck sky, sky goes away. Now I can set up for my isometric view. I want to move this guy to the back. Move, so there's nothing else in his way. Hey, get out of that back there. Selected them, move those back. Alright, H for hand. Camera, standard views, ISO. There we go. Try and get it as big as reasonably possible. I'm going to get rid of her. And let's edit this. Print 2. Your name, roof, print 2. File, print setup. Make sure you set the landscape. File, print preview. And we hit OK. Hey, there we go. Nice clean view of just our house. Ready to hit print here. That is how you set up and print the different views required for this assignment.